Chainsaw Man episode 7. Denji is within the Eternity Devil. So let's see what happens, my friends. Let's see what happens. I can't believe you did that for me. Everybody shook. Bruh. Is it over, Kobeni? Oh! Oh yeah, bruh. He's just going for it, bro. God, the animation! Oh! 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 The more bloody drinks. Oh my god, the ending song. The ending song. He's going fucking nuts. Uh-huh. But what happens if he just constantly This is amazing. I don't think we ever saw this in the manga. Just this fight going on. Holy sh! How far have you fallen, Chainsaw? Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Denji, need more blood! More! Oh, oh. But watching you shriek in pain makes it sweet like strawberry jam. Listen to him, dude. Are the fucking insane ones. Hey, Kishibe, what's up? I never noticed that Kishibe had earrings. I've read the whole ass manga. What the hell? Is his head on straight? Got any screws loose, huh? Oh yeah, you know what? That's a good. That's true. Huh? Well, yeah. There's no telling, bro. Yeah. Let him drink. You gotta loosen the screws with alcohol. Yeah, what would he do then if he found the gun devil, huh? What would he do then? You know, just seeing all these graves and someone with an eye patch standing over a grave just reminds me of Metal Gear Solid, 3 and 4. Oh no, dude. She fears the worst that could possibly happen to Aki, bro. Man, this music though, genuinely, it's so good, man. It makes you feel. Oh, I guess not. I guess not. His neck. What the fuck? Oh, you're making a mistake. Oh wait, oh she did that. Eureka, dude. Dude. I'm a fucking perpetual motion machine. Go! You're a Rube Goldberg machine, the Nobel Prize! Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? Oh my god. Go Penny! Go Pennies! Yeah. Everybody's like, Jesus, what's happening? Power? Bro, he's been fighting that thing for 3 days straight. Who's fed Meowie? Dude. He just... Wow, cuddles, man. The fact that Denji is saying already, and it's only been 3 days. Denji is amazing, bro. 3 days straight. Literally 3 days in a fucking row. 36 fucking hours, bro. How did they even were able to tell time from inside there? I feel like I took a huge shit. Go ahead and go into the office, and make sure you're here for your next shift. All right, you guys almost died today, but you know what? Come back tomorrow. True. Oh, asking a real question. What is Denji? And I've never seen anything like what he's turned into, dude. The biggest mystery of them all. Want to get hammered and ask about it? Want to get fucking high? Want to get crunked? Let's go. Party is starting. Oh, is that Kobeni? Big ass cups. Big ass mugs. I will have the sashimi. No vegetables. What the fuck? Oh yeah, I forgot she was wearing that outfit. The fried chicken is all mine. Wait. Is the fiend Beam? Are they talking about Beam or or violence. Oh yeah, I forgot Denji can't fucking read. I shouldn't be laughing at that. Ah, the kiss. In public? Oh, yeah, just, oh no. Juicy one. Name, age, and, oh, don't reveal it. Yeah, don't do that, don't. Denji's face, bro. I love Kobeni's eyes specifically. Those are some good hobbies, bro. That is young! Just tea. What a responsible young man. He's drinking just some tea, bro. I like that. 22! I forgot that the Fox Devil has a lot of contracts. As devils go, she's down bad. God damn. Is it the sloppy blowjob devil? Is the tasty thing a cock? She's adorable, bro. I forgot that Kobeni has 8 sisters. See, it's great. It's great to watch the anime after reading the manga because I can just like get refreshed essentially. She's fucked already, bro. Yeah, we're always dropping like flies, bro. Oh wow, yeah. There's no escaping the smooch. I remember that panel. I remember that face. Oh. Why did that scare me? No, I'm not. No smoochies? But I want to kiss with tongue. You've got to change the subject, man. The targeting of Denji has begun. Dude, the talking in the background and the sound like effects, like this is so good, dude. I'll tell you if you can outdrink me. That's impossible, sir. God damn, Makima. She's just... Then it was 120, yeah. Ha! 1,000. I'm rewinding because when the kiss happens, listen to the guy that goes, His Makima's watching. What? The kiss is a foot. It's a tongue. No. No. No! You know what? Roll the clip where I saw this for the first fucking time in the manga. It's melting in my mouth, man! Wait, that's not her. What the fuck? That's not her tongue? What do you mean that's not her tongue? What the fuck what am I about to see? Her tongue. I'm asking myself, was it worth it to read one more chapter today, dude? What the fuck? Okay. No fucking way, dude. Oh no. Oh. And oh god. I can handle shit, but when I think of like how that basically is happening and how it could apply in real life, I'm like, oh Jesus Christ. He looks like he's just died and will never come back to life again. Her fucking face. This like huh? Why would you swallow it, dude? Why? Benji's prone to swallowing anything with nutritional value that enters his mouth? this much of a fucking reaction before. And there you go. That's basically my initial reaction. I have to show that. Like, I don't care, dude. I have to. Let's continue. Power. They had to censor that, bro. Oh. That was worse than the animation of him swallowing it. Oh, you gotta eat what you gotta eat, bro. What a joke. Poor Denji, bro. He just wanted a kiss with tongue, bro. That voice actor went hard on that. Holy fuck. The guy on the right looks like Jean from Attack on Titan. I can't unsee that. Oh no! Oh god! Oh no! Oh no! You don't need water where you're going, buddy. Oh! Camera angle. Boob. Oh no. What are you doing in my place? Dang it. Oh man, well, since you're on the bed. Oh my god. Boob. Right on body. Wanna do it? Whoa. Oh, this is like fucking 80s shit? Whoa. It's like a little fucking game. Like a JRPG. Or no, not a JRPG, like a, like RPG Maker shit. Oh my god. Okay, it is like a JRPG. That's awesome. You have two options. Be kept, be killed. Whoa. Where's that lollipop been? Where's that lollipop been? Power. Kobeni! I him, I know. This really does look like some old, like, 80s... Oh no! Oh my god, that was the most insane. I keep thinking these endings won't get more insane, but they're starting to get more insane. I was waiting for that puke scene, bro. I need to see people's reactions to that, dude. The moment I'm done with this shit, I'm going right onto YouTube, baby. But with that, we'll be done. I don't remember what happens after this, so it's going to be a nice little surprise, to be honest. So with that, I'll see you on the next one. I've got a Discord. It's in the description. Subscribe for more, and